Hey guys, Akash here. Welcome back to your Desire for Tech. Today I will be sharing with you how to update the Nintendo Switch ROMs with the help of Linux command. The first thing we need to turn on Windows subsystem for Linux. Don't miss any of these steps. Every steps are important. I have already enabled this, so I'm just cancelling it for now. The next thing we need to open the command prompt and run as administrator. Type the following commands. This will help us to install the Ubuntu in the system. As I have already installed it, I am just deleting it for now. Search the Ubuntu from the start bar, or if not available, search it from the search bar. The first time you will install the Ubuntu, it will take some time. It will ask you for the user ID and the password, and do remember it. It will help us in the future. Do follow the following commands which will help us to install the required files. I have already installed the required files, so you just need to follow these steps and the commands coming on the screen. After you are done with all these commands, you will see a Linux item at the bottom of the network. Then you have to go under Ubuntu, Home and your system name and paste the base and the update file of the ROM. Now search for WSL and run as an administrator. Now follow the commands. If the first command doesn't work, use the second one. If you guys are still getting this kind of errors, so just go ahead and restart the WSL as an administrator. Here you have to select the base file and the update file. Base file is with the number 1 and the update file is with the number 2.